Hello SEO Pros. In this story, we shall learn what is Google Possum. Google Possum is an unofficial Google algorithm that was focused on local search results. Before this algorithm, it was difficult to rank on location-based keywords, but everything changed with this update. For example, if your business was outside of New York, let's say a few meters away from New York. So if someone searched for pizza New York, your business wouldn't show in the list. But that changed with this update. Now businesses outside of the city can show on location-based keywords because of this update. The second point, businesses that were located at the same address as a similar business were also targeted. Let's say if the two similar businesses are located in the same building, they probably won't show up in the same search. For instance, if two dentists are located in the same office building, they probably won't show up for the same search. Google has always tried to filter out duplicate listings. If your business has more than one listing on Google My Business, or if three doctors work in the same practice, each doctor has their own listing and the practice has its own listing. Now they are going a step further. Businesses owned by the same parent company. The businesses that were owned by the same parent company were filtered out due to this update. So some businesses that had different office locations along with NAPs and websites, they were also targeted by this update. Businesses owned by the same parent company. Some businesses that had two offices at two different locations with different names and websites, they were also targeted by this update because they had same parent company. So I hope you learned new things. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.